Let's tell you about the festivals and fireworks in Japan now. Please enjoy watching.
In the world, the event called Noryo no Yube is held every year in July. The people enjoy the cool breeze festival to survive hot summer. This is said to be another name Festival of the Fire and Light. It is performed for the first time in the 1950s and will be the 58th festival this year. The participants who put on Japanese yukata gather here. They float upward and read about 700 golden lanterns and LED boards of blue light round the moat in Chidori-Gafuchi spread in the west side of Kitanomaru Park in the Imperial Palace. Since the faint light of the golden lantern appears on the surface of the water during the summer night from evening, it is very fantastic. There is a concert on the water, so it's possible to enjoy music with the boat, which floated on a moat and a golden lantern. They can play holding fireworks on a boat. In addition, the person who would like to get into a boat needs application beforehand. In Hibiya Park, a great Bon Festival dance is held. The Bon Festival dance is one of the traditional dances of Japan and it's full of a large number of visitors every day. The office worker, the foreigner, and the local resident participate. All make the ring of the dance of several folds mainly on a large fountain and dance it for Marunouchi reading in total. Marunouchi reading is made in 1932. It's one of very famous dance in Japan. Everyone can participate casually. Wouldn't you like to enjoy Japanese summer by all means?
Then we will introduce the Sumida River fireworks display. It was being held last Saturday in July every year. Well, the history of these fireworks dates back from 1733. It was also being interrupted several times, but since 1978 has been held every year and has become one of the largest fireworks display in Japan. It has two types of fireworks, the traditional fireworks and creative fireworks. The latter will compete in the contest. Please try and enjoy the beautiful fireworks and the bustling sales, which you can eat traditional Japanese food.
I introduce a festival in Atago Shrine with Sennichi Mairi when you go there and worship a god on this day. It is said that you can get the benefit for 1 million days. A large number of people come on that day by passing through a circle of the shrine. We can conduct traditional ceremonies to expel evil spirits, and we can receive perfect state of health and divine favor of life, prolongation longevity. Hozuki is held at the same time. The atmosphere of Ed-Ira can be tasted in Sennichi Mairi and Hozuki. Please come by all means.
Did you enjoy watching this video? Thank you for watching. See you next time.